Samsung's dream of creating the ultimate smartphone chip has officially ended. We've seen the reports and heard the rumors, but now it's confirmed. Samsung has canceled the Exynos 2500, paving the way for the Galaxy S25 series to exclusively use the Snapdragon 8 Elite chip worldwide. This means that for the first time, you don't need to buy the Ultra model to enjoy Samsung's best performance. Now, even the standard Galaxy S25 delivers top-tier speed. And looking ahead, the S26 series is rumored to stick with the Snapdragon 9 Elite, or whatever its official name may be. I still think the S25 series will be a lot more efficient overall thanks to the Snapdragon 8 Elite chip, which boasts an impressive 44% improvement in power efficiency over the previous generation. Samsung found a way to save some money. The Galaxy S25 series will use M13 OLED panels rather than the latest M14 panels. You might wonder what difference that makes. Essentially, M14 panels are about 20% more power efficient than M13. What's ironic is that Samsung is giving its top-of-the-line M14 OLED displays to its biggest competitor, Apple, for the iPhone 16 Pro series. This is probably a side effect of switching fully to Qualcomm, as the newer Qualcomm chips reportedly cost around 20% more than the last generation. So unfortunately, we likely won't see display upgrades for the Galaxy S25 series. Following a detailed look at the Galaxy S25 Ultra's design, its color choices have now surfaced in new leaks. It's almost a certainty that the Galaxy S25 Ultra will feature a titanium side frame. But what colors will be available for the device? According to renowned tipster Ice Universe at Universe, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to launch in 4 color options: black, blue, green, and titanium. However, these are merely the standard color choices, and it's likely that Samsung will offer additional colors through its website. While black, blue, and titanium closely resemble the colors of the Galaxy S24 Ultra, green appears to be a new addition. It's still uncertain whether Samsung will opt for a light or dark shade of green, but a darker hue would certainly be intriguing. Here are 5 key reasons to get excited about this flagship release. The Ultra variant represents Samsung's peak in both hardware and software. This device has everything a flagship enthusiast could want, and with this next version, Samsung is elevating the Ultra specs through 5 notable upgrades. Display. Samsung's Ultra devices are renowned for their screens, and the S24 Ultra led the way with its slimmer bezels. It came with a 6.8-inch Quad HD Plus display with rounded corners and a max refresh rate of 120 Hz. According to recent reports, the S25 Ultra will refine the display by rounding not only the corners but also the middle frame. Unlike its predecessor, this model will feature a flat frame highlighting the thin display edges. This will mark the first time Samsung opts for a flat frame over curved edges. The S25 Ultra may slightly increase the screen size to 6.86 inches and include a new LED composition, enhancing both visual quality and viewing angles. With these display adjustments and a new frame design, Samsung aims for a lighter, slimmer device for an improved in-hand feel. Performance. The Galaxy S25 Ultra will feature the Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, offering a 45% performance boost, a 44% improvement in power efficiency, and a larger shared data cache. Its new Adreno GPU architecture brings a 40% boost in both performance and gaming frame efficiency. The Hexagon NPU in the Snapdragon 8 Elite can handle add tasks with a 45% performance boost, delivering similar enhancements in performance per watt and supporting longer token inputs. Camera. The S25 Ultra will carry over the 200MP main camera, a 10MP secondary telephoto with 3x zoom, and a 50MP primary periscope lens with 5x zoom, similar to the previous Ultra. However, a notable upgrade is a new 50MP ultra-wide-angle lens. This addition will enhance photography and videography quality, aligning it with the main camera's standards. The Snapdragon 8 Elite's AI, coupled with its Hexagon NPU, will enable advanced camera features and improve 4K photo and videography, including tools like Video Object Remover for enhanced image editing. Battery. The upcoming S series will likely maintain the 5,000 mAh battery from its predecessor with 45-watt fast charging support. However, enhanced software and chip optimizations could improve power efficiency and extend battery life. Software. One UI 7 will launch with the Galaxy S25 series, featuring fresh graphical changes, including redesigned quick settings for better interactivity. Beyond UI enhancements, Samsung has simplified the interface and refined key system elements like settings and in-device searches with AI. AI-driven improvements could also impact system apps, especially the camera app, boosting quality enhancements. Satellite connectivity is expected as part of this OS upgrade. With One UI 7, Samsung continues to prioritize security and privacy with new tools such as anti-theft measures and enhanced app permission controls from Android 15. Are you excited for the Galaxy S25 Ultra? I hope you liked the video. If you enjoyed the video, subscribing to the channel would be greatly appreciated. That's it for today. What's your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comment section. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.